everyone, it's the Brick Public and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your LEGO clones. The clones I'm going to be upgrading are this LEGO Phase 1 Clone Commander and this realistic style Phase 2 Clone Gunner. We're going to start off with the Commander. Before we get started, please like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and let's get right into this. So these are all the pieces you're going to need for this figure. So what you're going to need from the commander is just the legs. That's all you need for this figure. Just the legs. You're going to take this Sergeant Hound waist cape. You can buy it at Thicky Bricky or Jonak Toys. Just like that. Take this Jonak Toys Bark Shock Trooper Bark strap. Yes, that. Just gonna add it on. Just like that. Add this torso. This is a decaled Shock Trooper torso, but if you don't know how to decal or are not getting into decaling, you can just use a normal torso or the official Phase 2 Shock Trooper torso. There are two of them, I believe, the animated and then the OG style. You can use those, but I don't have those, so I'm not going to be using them. Just going to add it on. Just like... Stop being stubborn, please. Just like that. There you go. Going to add that on, just like that. Take these two gray arms and add them on. Just like that. And then add this Clone Army Customs Clone Army Customs Sergeant Hound Airborne Trooper helmet. And there you go. There's the final figure. Only thing I would do to improve this figure is probably change out the legs, but they work decent. Like you could use the Wolfpack Trooper legs or Shock Trooper legs, or you can just use these. But yeah, next figure. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the last figure. So what you're going to want to do is take off the helmet and the arms from this figure. Just like that. So now you're going to add some dark red arms. Just like that. Take off the head and take the torso apart from the legs. Add this Jonak Toys black waist cape with a dark red trim. You just add that to the legs. Just like that. And then you're also going to take this Jonak Toys heavy strap, if I can get the camera to focus on it. Just like that. Jonak Toys heavy strap, and add it on. Like that. Add this Clone Army Customs backpack. Just like that. Add the head, and then add this 91st Reconnaissance heavy helmet. Heavy Trooper helmet. Just like that, and that's the figure done. Looks pretty nice. But to add more to it, here's just a little minigun design. Take this little piece, I don't know what to call it, and then add a black stud. Put it right there. Take a stud shooter and put it just like that. Take this little piece here and add it on just like that, and then add this Technic piece and add it on just like that, and there you go. It's a nice minigun design, and since this is a heavy trooper, you just flip around the trooper hands and give it to the heavy trooper. Just like that, and there you go. There's the other figure complete. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. I like the overall design. The legs, as like the last figure, and the torso could be better, but I don't have those pieces. So let's go to the outro. So there are the last two figures complete. They look pretty nice together. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or video ideas, comment down below. I always look at my comments, and I always like to see what you guys have to say. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.